Welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 17. The days are adding up. I appreciate you still hanging out with me for Cookmas, where I continue to give you daily videos throughout the month of December for this holiday season. Today's recipe is going to be an oldie but goodie. I'm sure many of you have had before, but it's perfect for the holidays and for a weeknight side dish as well. We're going to go ahead and make an awesome creamy corn casserole. So as you know, corn casseroles are truly delicious. It's like a cross between a corn souffle and a corn pudding, but it has a wonderful flavor, and especially if you love corn, it's something that you will rush to get to every time you see it. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for my creamy corn casserole. Some of you may make it different, but this is what we are going to use today. So I definitely urge you to give this one a try. It's quick, easy, and simple, and still tasty. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here we have it. This is a quick and easy creamed corn casserole with all the wonderful goodness that corn can bring. Went ahead and topped it with a little bit of bacon, a little bit of green pepper and parsley just to give it a little more crunch and flavor. Give this one a try, guys, for your next holiday or maybe weeknight meal. Hope you will enjoy it. If you did enjoy today's recipe though, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you tried this before. Share the video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys. Mm-hmm.